This is Aaron Asen from Richards and Jurusik Immigration Law. On June 27, 2025, the U.S. Supreme Court issued a decision in a case called Trump versus CASA Inc. Now, this case has garnered a lot of attention primarily because of the underlying dispute, which concerns whether or not the Trump administration can implement its new Birthright Citizenship policy. The plaintiffs went to court and asked the judge to stop that policy from applying for them and applying to everybody else across the country. So the U.S. district judges who heard these cases issued what we call nationwide or universal injunctions, basically precluding the Trump administration from implementing this policy anywhere in the United States. The Supreme Court was not asked to hear the underlying dispute just yet. That's still working its way through the lower courts. But it was asked to consider whether or not the U.S. district judges had authority to issue those nationwide or universal injunctions. The Supreme Court came back and said the U.S. district courts did not have the authority to issue those injunctions. Now, to be clear, these injunctions are not just used in this case, but they're used in a variety of cases all across the country. But now it looks like the U.S. district judges will not have authority to issue these injunctions. So this means that this policy can potentially continue against anybody who is not a party to a lawsuit and received an injunction by a U.S. district court. For more information, please feel free to contact Richards and Jurusik Immigration Law. Have a good day.